Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete a contact on your Telegram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete a contact on your Telegram, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after opening your Telegram, you must select the contact which you want to delete, and for me it will be this one. And after selecting the chat box of the person whom you want to delete the contact, you must tap on to his name or her name, which is on the top of your screen. You can see, let's tap on his name and this kind of interface will open. Now to delete this contact, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and after that, when this dialog box opens, you can see the delete contact option available over here. Tap on delete contact like this, and again tap on delete. And there guys, we have successfully deleted our contact from Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.